Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix overscan or picture cutoff on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, press the settings button on your remote control. It's right below the power button. Then open settings by pressing OK on the settings icon. Then let's go to all settings, go to picture and go to picture size settings. And in order to fix this issue, you're gonna have to select fit to screen and enable on. And now if your picture didn't fit on the screen, it should now have the right fit to your display. By the way, for some applications you can also go to zoom and position and adjust the height, and that's not some application, but for some devices you can also go to zoom and position and adjust the width and height of your picture. So if it's not fit like entirely, you can still adjust its position on the screen. This is primarily useful when you're casting a screen from your smartphone. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.